So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign we go about looking at how we can fix an MI phone which has turned unresponsive. So say for example you're using an MI phone and all of a sudden the touch screen doesn't seem to work. Well, we will suggest a few troubleshooting solutions. First thing to understand here is since the touch has stopped working, so pressing something on the screen, tapping icons on the screen, well nothing of that sort can work. We need to force restart the phone, and for doing that what we need to do here is I need to press the volume down and the power button both together. It will take a screenshot, don't worry, just hold on to this until the screen blanks off and you can release those buttons. You need to understand that you need to release the buttons here, because if you still hold on to them you may enter into the fast boot mode. If you see that, please don't worry, just press the power and volume down button, and you will see the phone will reboot normally. So this is one of the primary solutions. You simply press the volume down and the power button until the screen blanks off, release the buttons, and you will see the phone reboots, and once it reboots you will see everything starts working. Now why does this happen? It happens because of a possible system update perhaps, or maybe you have uploaded too many applications and some of them are in conflict with the mobile OS. Well, there may be many reasons, but the point here is that you need to force restart the phone. Well, this is one of the ways. The other way is like you can enter into the recovery options, and the way you do that in the MI 10T Pro Max is like pressing the volume up and the power button both together. So just hold on to them until you will see the phone blank off, and then just hold on to these buttons. You are not supposed to release them, and you will see that the recovery options will soon appear. Well, once the recovery options appear, it's pretty much the same for all phones. You use the volume up and down buttons to navigate and the power button to make a selection. So I can uh, use the volume down button, use the power button to make the selection, and here you can see reboot, wipe data, or connect with MI Assistant. So I need to reboot, so I will press the power button, and then it says reboot to system or back to main menu. Reboot means basically starting off the phone again. So rebooting the phone. So I need to press here the power button and let the phone start normally. So like doing either of these two things should help you force restart the phone, and once that happens, the the phone loads up and you will see everything works perfectly fine. Now in case if this isn't working, what you can still try doing is just flap the phone like this pretty hard, and then try repeating the steps. I mean the volume down and the power button both together until the screen blanks off, and then release them until the phone starts. Now once the phone starts, you will see everything starts working normally as it pretty much should. So hopefully all this helps. If it does, kindly consider subscribing to our channel, tap on the bell icon for notifications. Don't forget to let me know how you find this tutorial using the comment section below. And yeah, I mean, share this on your social media handles like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and all those wonderful things. So that's all from my side. I will catch you in the next one.